I know this to record on, so I've been on doing say I go post them for YouTube so that in case of some person will not actually did this live. So that if you watch them. But I've been on doing because I just want maybe see people maybe see the inside. That one I see you go see if the if I go put that because I just want to save this thing to just get the knowledge because you know say when you teach some kind of things, you fit talk some things when you say you know they are aware of. But if you visit them again, you say talk this thing and it actually makes sense. You can add it to your own style. So now what me how they do. So market structure. I believe say everybody went there supposed know to be higher highs and higher lows, then lower highs and lower low. Abi? No, you hear me so?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I believe say everybody supposed know. I will just touch on fast. Since everybody did their work farm, I will just make it very fast. Higher high, higher low. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to type the higher high, but I believe say we know where the higher high. This is our higher high. Higher low. So now, so you just say the way they did for years. So now, so just higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Then for this one, this is our lower low. This is our lower high. So now, so you just say the rest lower low, lower high, lower low. But I want to ask one funny question. For out of the two, which one that market go first do first before you do the other one? For the buy now, for the buy move now, which one that market go first do first before you see the same come? So which one comes first?
Low.
Now low comes first.
Low.
Sure.
Low.
Yes.
Yes.
Now low.
Yes. Low.
Yeah, make a show now. Make a show now one thing. Most see price now. We are seeing price here. Yeah. Now here be this. Now we don't know if price if this particular move now they for higher high or higher low or lower high, lower low. Abi? Okay, now what will be the first thing when you go see now?
Okay.
Now be higher high, abi? So the first thing you see now higher high, not low.
Yeah. Higher.
But most of the times, you will see market do something like this. For this particular zone when it day now, so if you give you small low before you go break this high. You understand? So, but if you want to talk the thing, if I just like actually see the trade for years, this one for years so now, you first see this push before you see this other one. You see this push before you see this other one. You understand? So which means higher highs comes first. You understand now? Okay. So since we don't understand saying that higher highs they come first, and for higher highs to come first, the first high now they confirm if the market does start for the buy move. But the second one, which is the lower the next one when they go for the higher low, now go actually test okay, the market go form another higher high. So if you are seeing higher high, higher low, this low now, as long as it's higher than this one, you should be expecting another new high. I bet off your mic because they hear this thing they echo from my side. So as you see and say as you give you higher high, give you higher low, your next move now you're expected to see another higher high until price breaks this place. This is your last high now. This is your last low, which is fire low. Until price breaks this place, that's when you know that this trend over. You get me? So if the market not break this low now and it still continue to push higher, you are still in this uptrend. So for this explanation, we all know that this one are uptrend, then this one are down, this other one are downtrend. So once the market break this low, the buy move don't already expire. Like you can say, okay, let's look for sales now instead of trying to like still be hopeful like the buy will continue, which sometimes if you just sweep then continue. But in most cases, especially for higher time frame, once the trend already change, it takes a very lean chance for you to like say okay, for you to act like sweep and continue. But if a higher low is violated on a 4-hour or daily time frame, just know that you should be expecting the market to like turn around. But it doesn't mean that you should sell immediately. Then you wait for your lower highs, something like this now. Man, I just delete everything so that make it very clear. So most say with the higher high, higher low, still on the market structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now on a 4 hour time frame, this is a good uptrend, or this is an obvious uptrend. So now for you to know that this buy move is over, the market has to break this last low, something like this. So now you seeing this now does not mean that you automatically jump in on the trade yet, because the market can still come back and do like this. That's one funny thing about the market, and the market is always right. Last you just be like, okay, they manipulate the thing, but last you go see nothing and you lose your money. So at the end of the day, you just have to play smart.
Why? Now what if you use my eye to see this?
You understand? Good. So if you notice that the way you talk, the way you draw that 50 chart, I'm not talking anything. I just ask KK, I say, which setup will I use for this thing? It's not a break and retest. I just chill. Because me, I know I don't say anything for that place. You get? They get me, divine.
Yeah.
So now you don't see this move now. You don't see this move now. Market breaking this low now. It give you this lower low. The market has every right to from this place now pump and normally as you enter for if you want to have a break and retest, you go enter for somewhere here, hoping to buy the price down, to set the price down.
Yeah.
So now if you're entering here, your stop loss will be somewhere around here. So now the market has every right. After giving you this lower low now, I beg mute your mic. After giving you this lower low now, the market has every right to like pump up and continue doing the uptrend. You get. So now this will now draw our attention to the fact that we should master market structure. The fact that we're seeing higher highs does not mean that we should buy immediately, or the fact that we're seeing lower lows does not mean we should sell immediately. When you see a lower low, wait for the market to give you a lower high. You should write this one down. No? Then if you are seeing a higher high, wait for the market to give you higher low. In the sense that this low now, this low here is lower than this one. That's why it's called lower low. This high is lower than this one. That's called lower high. So if the market give you this place, and I will explain how you go take know say this move down the end though, like the correction, because for this particular move now, I don't just want to jump yet. This is more like ICC for us now, but for this explanation sake, we're talking about market structure and price action. So now, as you've seen your lower low, you wait for market to give you a lower high. Your lower high will give you, should I say 85% confirmation that the market will give you another lower low or give you an equal low. So the market, after giving you a lower high now, it might do something like this. So you that is selling, you that want to sell this move now, you know that price did something like this from this. Might just do as okay, equal low, because most of the time this is how I trade. So now price breaking this place now, price breaking this green zone now. You know that from this particular place, from year to year, from this green zone down, let me just copy this one so that you can also get this is where your table should be, to this place now. You get me? The chance of this thing happening, trust me, is like 95%. This particular move now. So that's why sometimes when you see some traders on Instagram, tweet, and they use big lot size. I don't know, something like this they do. Some persons feel not even they swing. They might just
big lot size for short position.
Yes, you see those two trades when I send you screenshots.
Yes, now those two things happen.
So most of the time, this is how they trade. Because you don't know whether just take for example now. This from this place to this place, there were a lot of buyers trying to push price from this point A to point B. You get now? Now the market coming back and closing below this low, this green low, this first low. I mean, mute your mic. He's telling you that there are no longer enough buyers. That is your first confirmation. Because if there are enough buyers, the market shouldn't validate or break this low. You get the point? Because if there are enough buyers now, the market will come back, do equal low, then maybe push higher. Same thing, the market can still come back here, and the buyers might be like, okay, we've had enough discount You understand? Because sometimes the trade might just that way you see fake out and what do they call it? They just trap you because they know that if you're entering here, your stop loss will be somewhere here. So they just come take you out and maybe pump, go higher. But now you've seen that from this green zone to this other green zone, it's as in the sellers have proven the fact that they can push price from this place to here. So when price is entering that green zone again, there's a high chance that the sellers will do the same thing. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Good. So now, you seeing this move now, first of all, you've confirmed that, okay, the price was in an uptrend and it turned, giving us a lower low. Now, after seeing your lower low, your next confirmation should be your lower high. Your lower high now, you are sending the trade back to this place. Now, you can as well hold your trade and say you want to bring it down here. Because this is what price will do. Price will continue stopping out the buyers. Like, price will reach here now, maybe pull back again, something like this. After price take out this low here, price might do something like this. Come here, take out this low, maybe pull back, come back, take out this low again. This is how price, as in this is how the market moves. To take out this low, like complete, like the market will take out the whole buyers when push when side this move, as in from the start. So the trade, the market is like a, should I say, hunting ground. Everybody's hunting each other. Just like if the market wants to turn back now, it will come back, stop this in here, sellers here, maybe do pull back, go back, hunt this ones here. You understand? Just like that, hunt this one till eventually break out and maybe run freely. But now I want to draw our attention back to this particular place. And I get one thing when I just want to talk for here. Now you don't say markets don't, the sellers don't push it, they push price from here to here. You wait for price to enter this place back so that you can maybe follow them and do the same thing that they've done. So which means it has been tested and trusted. So that's why I say the chances of this thing happening is like 95%. You see this trade when I did so. I never did shake self. Let me just be honest with you guys. I will explain because I'm planning to like set the trade from here to this place. This is exactly what I'm explaining. You understand? Why? Because the sellers, this place now major, this line, this was a major break. This place now major break, and you can see the way price push from here. Price push from here. You see this push. Do that. Price push from here. So this one shows a buyers in the market. So sellers now breaking this zone now. You say okay, they don't hunt these buyers, so they are not, as in they are no longer that much buyers inside. But this expansion doesn't mean that you just, when you see the kind of thing, you just jump. There are some things that you should put in place. Like I say, like I always say, everything should align. If everything aligns, your confident this thing to place trade should be like 95%. That's what I'm saying. I have a 95% chance that this trade will play out. You understand? So I will explain everything, then I will make everything align so that you feel to go practice some for your own side to make sure say they make sure say everything they align before they actually enter your trade. So now, as you can see, for this explanation now, what they give for this side now, price sellers don't push from here to this place now. So it don't show say if market enter this zone, which market don't enter now. There's every chance, like there's a 95% chance or 90% chance that the sellers will do the same thing. Now, me seeing this now, I'm not trusting them blindly. You get? Because that's where the market structure comes in play. Let me show you something. I'm not trust them blindly. Hey, fuck. Sorry for that. So me now, I don't trust them blindly. I'll always check for the market. And if you see the market is on a downtrend. So if I enter this trade for somewhere here now, my stop loss should be here. Let me see somewhere here now. My stop loss should be here. Because as I you say 90% chance say the thing will happen. 100% chance say the market will do like this. They go like this. You don't get, like, if it do like this, you get. So I'm very conscious of this, of this place. Yes, the market, as I say, the market is always right. You understand? But my confidence level for entering this trade is very high. I never put stop loss, to be very honest. You understand? Because, but I know say once the market start to do something funny, maybe at least, yeah, I can tolerate them to this zone. But something above here, no, I cannot. Because now the market have pushed from this place. This should be our higher low, and price giving us price pushing from this place, which is our lower high, giving us a lower low, another lower high, then price coming down to give us a lower low, then continue like that. This is how market structure works. So, in conclusion for this first explanation, market structure, you cannot say the market is on a buy move if you are not seeing both higher highs and higher lows. Same thing goes for sell. You cannot say the market is on a sell move if you are not seeing lower highs and lower lows. So I hope this explanation is clear enough. And if you have any question now, you can ask. Before we drop down to stop loss and take profit.
Yeah, clear.
You understand, Abi?
So, waiting from your explanation now, structure based on uptrend, the market must change structure, right?
The market must change structure.
Higher, so we must break to
yeah,
lower
the market for the market to be in a continuous uptrend, the highs has to be the market has to break the high. The only place where you're not going to break is the low.
Okay, so anything we can break low, that means trend don't change.
No, you're not going to say trend don't change 100%. Something is happening in the market. You can only say trend don't change when you can say after the lower low, it give you lower high.
Another lower low again.
Yes, it give you lower high. Now the lower high I can confirm say because the lower high has to be lower than the previous high, just like this.
The previous
yes, just like this. So this is on an uptrend now. Now price coming down here, giving you a lower low. This one are high.
Na high, yes.
So the market can see do something and give you new high. This one can act like fake out. But when you see something like this, market reaching here and coming down, you know, say, okay, this low is higher than this one, which is lower low. So the chance say market will come back here, maybe give you new one safe. You get, but at least from year to year, equal low is sure, like equal low sure. So if you sell for somewhere here, if it's inside this place now, sell for somewhere because market don't move from year to year. Yeah, there you talk.
You know, the line now go there for that previous low as support.
Yes, that should be your support. Exactly. More use the normal old terms. This should be your support. Just like in the market say he never want to do this thing yet. Wait now. The market never want to do this thing now. Something like this.
Yes.
You do something like this. You now you know say now your support be all this one.
Yes.
So as you dey track am, you know say price fit come break this place. So once price break this zone now, for example now I give you something like this coming down here. You know they tell you something you sell immediately.
Yeah.
What are you waiting for next? Your lower high. Market pulling back, and there's a more higher chance instead of you just rushing down selling here. There's a higher chance that the market will, after seeing the lower high, there's a higher chance the market might give you a new lower low and give you another high if the sell wants to continue.
Okay.
So
we are selling at the second confirmation, that's the second lower high, Abi?
Not say second lower high. You are selling at the lower high and you are buying at the higher after seeing your higher low, you buy. Then after seeing your lower high, you sell. So you not just see lower low, you go sell.
Then you can't rush enter, yes.
You wait
so you just wait for like to do them 2 times. When the market do that in 2 times, then you go enter.
You've not touched it 2 times actually. Just like as I explained here, so not be 2 times now. I think come market.
And I bet the confirmation now, make me the ask because
I think
the explanation only once you do one.
I think you feel come somewhere like this now, same price do like this. Break this one now. You feel not see this one, this move say happen. First thing I don't happen pass you. The next thing for you to do not be say you call jump because market feel reach here now begin to pump up. You get so you feel not catch this move, you wait for the next one, lower low. You understand? This is your last low. So now market give you this higher low, you sell to this place. This is how it's done. If you not see catch this one, market drop down. Again. You're not just like that.
Okay.
So if anybody get a question, more ask before we go to the next. This particular is supposed to be advantage for everybody because for TikTok nobody does really get a chance to talk, but now everybody get a chance to talk. So if I go down to our store and take profit,
yeah, I feel okay. Let me rewind.
No talk now if you want to talk.
No, this thing now, from all those ones you don't they do what they see. I go just suggest say more no they do this trade now more they do one for big time frame. This pattern so.
You see, the chances say go up for big listen. You see, now why I put this stop loss and take profit. You understand? You just be like when you dey surrounding, you should like anywhere you dey for this life, you should be conscious of your environment.
Yes,
you understand?
Nice.
So now you entering a trade, what is the least thing that can happen? Market hitting your stop loss.
Go against.
You understand? So now, if you are conscious of the fact that yes, I know the market can do something like this, but I'm comfortable with the fact that I have $100 in my account and I can raise maybe $20. If market hit this $20, I still have $80 to like make up for the rest. You understand? So if you dey conscious of that, the only time when you go tell me now say when you do the thing for higher time frame, you go to see the loss size, the stop loss big. The best thing to do is to sit it out, or I will explain that for this other this when we get to this IICC, I will explain that for you. May you understand what to do when you see the loss size big part, the stop loss big past your capital. I will not tell you what to look for you to be able to partake from that move instead of carrying the whole move, which we do yesterday night when you dey sleep. If you notice yesterday trade, the major move now this one you get, but inside that major move we were able to get a piece of the pie from here to this place
down.
You get, which market only take profit here.
If you say now you hit that place now, say if you don't they go up again.
Good, which I tell you say the market feed do. Say I tell you that.
Yeah.
But when they make me dey comfortable with the fact say I fit hold this trade. Now the fact say daily time frame close inside one, and before daily time frame close inside, the market from buy we check high low, high low, high from buy turn to lower high. That's why I'm comfortable. Now why they tell you say the market go take profit. Maybe today tomorrow. I'm very confident. And this thing is I think around 100 or so. I not stack am because I know say if I stack am, if the market begin to pull back, if he go against me, and I use the lowest loss at 0.1. So
you go dey uncomfortable.
yes, your heart go that's what you call the fear. I say I go make reference to that VIX 25. That trade was supposed to give me $900.
Yeah, that trade now.
Yes, 900, no cap. And he enter, but I entered a lot of position. So when the market just do small pullback, it affects me. What made me lose my faith? You understand? So now waiting just happened to me for that trade. But this one so now, I use the lowest loss size. And if there's any chance that the market wants to play around, maybe after this one now, say one do like this, don't worry. I don't fear.
It's still good.
Yes. You understand me now? So me now, I'm aware. I know they use to talk about this stop loss and take profit now. Me now, I'm aware of my surroundings. I'm aware that the market might do something like this, but I am managing as in the management, the risk management is in place already. I've already put it in my subconscious, in my brain. Like this is the least thing that can happen. And if it happens, no problem. Oh, you go answer my. It be like my guy. Sorry. You and Keke talk too much. Talk. No best, Dre. Make her accept. I say if anybody get question, I don't know. Say you don't join a Dre. No best. Where your this thing? Where you get Froster? Yeah, Dre.
W's.
I know. I close this thing now. I know they see your request before. No best.
Okay.
Yeah. So
me I get two questions.
Oh yeah, wait first. Wait. Just wait first. Keke, hope you understand now.
Yes, I get.
Oh yeah, Dre, answer. Ask.
Okay. Now, first of all, Keke talk say about whether move use them for daily time, but move not use them for daily time frame.
Yes.
So like this now, basically they do not just on this 4 hour time frame, just
No.
to observe.
I they use daily time frame. That is trade what they hold now, like daily time frame trade.
Okay, but the major time frame to spot out the move now, which time frame exactly?
One thing you should always put in mind is the higher time frame will be 10 times correct. I better mute your mic.
Okay.
Will be 10 times like it go the higher time frame go dey correct even a million times than the lower time frame. The lower time frame.
Well, we can't.
The lower time frame, which I go explain, I don't want just the jump, which this ICC updates and entry. You see, I already put everything in place, but because of this your question now, I go just maybe touch them a little. The higher time frame, if you dey see higher high, higher low, for higher time frame, trust me, go move swiftly. But you see that thing when I talk, say the market fit do something like this. You see this thing when I talk, say the market fit do something what is happening now? You see this thing when I talk, say the market's giving you higher low, high, then breaking this low, and yes, the chances of it going up again, you will see this a lot in the lower time frame. Okay. You get my point? Yes. Now there is, because the lower time frame is there to give you details. Like, for example, now say as I want to enter this trade now, so let's take for example now. I want to place a sell for this trade, but I'm not seeing what the market is doing before the market turned and start doing this sell. I can drop to a 1 hour time frame to check what did the market do at this particular zone. I'm not seeing it on the 1 hour time frame. I can drop to the 30 minutes time frame until I see this. When I'm not seeing it, I do that to the 15 minutes time frame. That's the lowest I can go. When I'm not seeing those details, that's when I stop. Because the lower time frame is there to give you details, but there are a lot of fake out. If you go 15 minutes time frame, I make sure that feature shown on one quick example. Make us show now one quick example. I'll never actually see this thing. Okay. See this move now. We can categorize this move like higher high. You just see okay, no, that one not actually make sense. That one actually makes sense. Okay, see this move now when the market dey on downtrend. This I beg, even on the same moment talk. This move now when the market so okay. Yeah. Normally, as the market they pull back, you expect to like sell down. But you see, after this move now, they give you like high because the move they go up. You understand? But for bigger time frame now, when you see this lower low, you can't see something like lower high. The chances of see this thing go happen. I go explain this. You know, this particular time.
They much bigger.
Yes, they much bigger. The noise. The lower time frame are full of noise. Why the higher time frame, if they move. That's just something that you should just be aware of. So the reason why I take my trades most of the times for the higher time frame, at least 4 hour, 1 hour. Those are the times that I want to see my setup. But the part where the sweep up, say if you do this particular setup for any time frame, like the last time I do not be $33 for 15 minutes time frame. I think into 4 places. It was a 15 minutes trade. And 15 minutes trade, I see the details for 15 minutes. You understand? The setup na 15 minutes trade. I see the details for the 15 minutes trade. He entered the zone for 15 minutes trade. I played the trade. You understand? I played the trade for 15 minutes trade, and he moved for 15 minutes trade. If that's not clear enough, just let me know. Like. Okay, see now make I go one day. You see now, what I go to this now? Okay, now you see this move now. The market day for downtrend from here, and with the same say day for downtrend. Yeah, you understand? After the downtrend, you see the way they close above. If na lower time frame, this thing now, if you see drop, the chance it could drop back there. But you chance for higher time frame, it just continues to do the buy. And as you see, it not actually close below. If it close below, it go turn. You understand? So this one I go answer the fact. Say okay, the higher time frame they more smooth. Then that thing when I talk about seeing your setup in one time frame, seeing details, that thing a big advantage. I'm not gonna lie for now. If I see that trade, I go show now. That thing a big advantage. Okay, we go fix it for 4 hour time frame. They happen mostly for 4 hour time frame. Like, but you not gonna be this pair.
So we see try to say in one time frame. So seeing every setup in one time frame now big advantage.
Very big advantage now. That is if that in a cheat. Wait, make I go show you what they talk. Not be step it is 500.
And you no go waste your time.
Yeah, you sabi this thing.
No, waste
Okay, now this man done for far time for to see this move. This trade there, he pay me I don't take this trade. I see this trade form. But before I say I'm now somewhere around there I see this trade. Why this thing they hide? Why are you guys hiding, bro? I want to show now that thing when I talk now. This move now, I see the move for somewhere here. Or that the distance? And they take profit now here. But the fact say this one a step in this 500, you don't play with this. You don't this is something you don't mess. This is one pair you don't mess with. Because if you want to take this trade now, your stop loss should be nothing above this, as in at least stop loss. So imagine me in an entry here, and my stop loss is around there. My actually, I not actually do much capital because I believe in growing. But I've actually if you take this trade, but I don't want to exhaust my account because there's something you should know about. Now I'm going to the next topic, which is the stop loss and take profit. There's something you should note. When you're entering a trade and you want to put your stop loss, or you believe that trade will move, don't use a loss size that will liquidate. Don't use a stop loss that will liquidate your entire balance before the main move eventually happens. You understand? Because now I know for a fact that the market might not come up here. But if it come up here before dropping, can I withstand it? That's the question you ask. The answer is no. You get so that is why I take profit and stop loss. Then back to where I want to talk. You seeing your move on a this thing on a one particular time frame. Good. Now as you can see now, this is the old turnover. So if I'm to enter this trade and if I was to enter this trade and hold it down to this take profit zone now, this is something I would have done, though I did not see it on time. I saw the trade around here. So you see, you can see the market giving us higher high, higher low, higher high. Now pay attention. No, this I'm about to do is very important. It's kind of like a tip from the ICC update and ICC topic I will touch on. So now you know your last low be this. You understand? Because the market push from this zone after giving this higher high, higher low, market push. Market can't do anything. Remember what I talk when you say you see your lower low, you know they jump, they say once. What will be the next thing you wait for? To say something that they follow. When you see your lower low, what will be the next thing you go make sure say you see before you know say the move go move. The price go move.
Retest.
Lower high.
That is the English. Retest actually, I still correct. Now I'm seeing this. I beg, make not notify me person join so that I feel on the person mic.
Okay.
Now I'm seeing this move now. Divine, remember that your VIX 50 when you see the market closing below and you enter the trade.
Yeah.
Something like this now you do. So break and go. So maybe as the market come, you just go to retest this line, then you feel just trying to sell and maybe holding it back. But as you can see here, it worked. But the thing I be say, this move now, when it happen for you, you go do the fidget, you go do the fear. So to erase that fear, and that was whatsoever, you either use a lower loss size or you wait for the second confirmation. Now, we've seen that the market gave us a lower low. Now we're waiting for the lower high, which will confirm the next lower low. You get the point?
Yeah, and I think if I actually waited for that second confirmation, it would have been better than the first confirmation.
Because if you not go move, you not go come back. Take that thing down. Like, if the market push like this, if you not come back, no worry, that move not going to happen. You understand? So you seeing this
Wait.
this
You
thing now,
say
this
that-
this no this Joel, this thing now on that topic, which is the ICC update. I just want to talk about this particular thing. I want to talk about seeing one movie in one particular time frame. So just pay attention. When you reach that time frame, if you get questions down, write them so that you don't go forget. When you reach that particular topic, if you ask, but not be what I want to talk about this now. Now just because I want to show that particular thing when I talk, seeing your move in one this thing. So back to it before I begin the jump for where I did. So now we don't see this our indication here, which is this lower low here. Now see what the price do. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You get, it can't break. You get now. You break this place. This was the last low here. If you go 1 hour time frame, you will see this thing very clear. But you are seeing it here, right? Everybody see where here.
Yeah.
It did very obvious. Ma use the small line. Ma use small line. So now he break below this particular zone now. This now they tell you see the market. It don't do a pullback. And the pullback, he buy. He can't turn to sell. The initial move was sell normally. You get. So if I'm to enter this trade now, I can choose to do something like this. Market entering this zone back. I can choose to maybe enter my trade here, stop loss here. You get? And maybe write it down. This would have made a lot of sense. You get me? Or maybe enter this trade and stop here. Because I'm very sure that, but my stop loss not go there, yo. This guy will not put stop loss because this trade not waste time. So this one now, so now be the trade while the turn and say you have for 4 hour time frame. He give you the correction for 4 hour time frame and the move for 4 hour time frame. So now, if you enter this trade somewhere around here, or here, because I go like me enter this line first before I go enter my trade. So somewhere here, if you see very short, just imagine this trade for the 15 minutes time frame. You know, it actually big. But for this sake of this time frame, this move for me to, if you see, I never waste time. And this same kind of way run through and just run down. You get if you actually wait for this kind of close, or you use a lower time frame, which I will talk about. All those ones the other topic. But in essence, I'm just trying to show you guys this move, this setup happened for this 4 hour time frame. It correct for this 4 hour time frame and move for the 4 hour time frame. It payments are not actually take this trade. This trade, today I take this trade there. I will do giveaway safe. I will do giveaway. So I hope this thing clear enough. You seeing your one move, your setup in one particular time frame and everything, how it moves and all of that. I hope it clear enough. Where another go? He
dey clear, bro.
I have this network. I got this show. Where other go now? Okay, now.
The network actually they act up one kind,
But you dey hear me now?
Yeah, they hear you now.
Good.
Better, much better.
So now, I hope that thing dey clear enough because we go to the next one now.
Uche say?
Yeah, you bro.
I said I hope the explanation what I do for that particular time frame now, that trade this
Yes. Clear.
So now, for the sake of the stop loss and take profit, if you get any question, if you ask, before we go to the next one, ICC. I'll wait for now. Hello?
How much in this question? They won't ask this question.
Okay.
You lot size. How much of a role did they play to how an obvious downtrend or uptrend? How much did they play to how it will react for inside the market if you use a particular stop loss, a particular lot size? I mean.
Okay. Divine, I believe that you go get idea of all those. I know that this narration will make sense, but I will try and make it make sense. You get idea of something like I thought something about not allowing the market to liquidate you first of all. Abi?
Okay, yeah.
The conscious of your surrounding. Now, the lot size now boils down to your capital and your risk tolerance.
Okay.
And your risk tolerance. Because there are some persons that will enter that might start trading today now, and once they get one major loss, they can just pack their computer, close everything, they know they trade again. Forex is not for me. Whereas now you make the mistake. You understand? So everything boils down to you personally. You understand me? Just like I always say, for this game, for this business, the least that can happen, if you really want to pursue this thing, once you blow your account, the least that can happen, you find another one. If you are really serious, that's just the honest truth. But when you put your mind like, this is my last money that I have, I don't want to lose it. If I lose it, it will get to me. I mean, mute your mic, please. It will get to me. If I lose money, it will get to me. No, I don't want to lose it. You will lose that thing, and that will give you big trauma. I bet who they talk? I bet mute your mic. But they hear me sharp before you mute your mic. Now they hear me. Hey, they don't go now. Hey, network. Wait, make I check whether on my side and anything that happened before. Will be my side though. I get data. I get data. Divine, you hear me? Can I ask question? I need to do very sure. Wow, I'm going to only mess this thing up. Hello? Can you hear me? Blast. Now they hear me? KK. How they hear again? Wait, it happen. Divine, if you hear me talk now, one person actually come for this trade.
Yeah, they hear you.
Okay, Steve, they hear me. Divine, they hear me.
The network will break before Sha.
Boy, they hear now, Sha. Divine,
Coolest. Yeah, back here, the year
Coolest.
now.
Okay. So, I dey talk something now and I say, it all boils down to you. Based on the question when you asked me, Divine, it all boils down to you.
Yeah. So,
I hear you.
not to interject, so you just say your lot size play a part, your account size play a part for the lot size that you use.
And your risk, not just your account, your risk tolerance, your emotions, how you handle losses.
Okay.
You understand me? Just like a day now, this trade when I dey hold now, I feel sleep leave am. Because I know say I use the lowest loss size, and if it go against me, it is something I'm willing to lose. So you should always consider that whenever you are choosing a loss size, not just think about the profit. Don't always put the profit at the front of it. Be conscious of everything.
But wait, Uche. I don't know that you get see. Still the question when I the thing I the try one get here.
Okay.
In a situation where we say you analyze markets, you know say very well like this is a sell or this is a buy market.
Yes.
Now your lot size and what you can use, maybe you can use the highest lot size for inside that pair.
Okay.
Is it supposed to start moving against you or move with the flow order of the market?
Okay.
You get my point?
You first of all, now you need to understand the market that you are trading. We are trading synthetic market that is not controlled by emotion, by the number of persons. Is an what they call that algorithm, something like that. So now then you determine where they push the market. So you're not gonna tell me if you use big loss size so that where the force will show for the market. No. And when it comes to trade, there's nothing like 100% trade. You understand me? The market
Yeah.
will always do what it wants to do. Last, you will be scapegoat inside. You understand?
Facts.
So even if the trade now 1000%, always be conscious about your risk. Because trust me, you might see a move that will give you $10 million, but immediately that thing start going against you. Oh God, there's no way you'll be comfortable. And where it will now hurt you the most is the market will eventually take you out and move. You get?
Yeah.
So for trading, there's nothing like 100%. Only be conscious. Know the right lot size to use. Don't liquidate your account before that move eventually happen. Because the market might do a long pullback, it might do a short one. But most of the time, just be conscious, just be ready, be prepared for it by choosing the right lot size. So that you not hinder your account before the move. If you not liquidate your account before the move eventually happens. So that's just what I just feel like you should just put at the back of your mind.
Okay.
Don't get too excited.
Clear.
Don't get too excited. Like, this move is sure die. Don't give me lower low. Don't give me high. Lower high. It's supposed to give me next lower low. If it give you next lower low, if it give you next higher high. It's like that. The market is like that.
Always
You're not girl you want.
Always right.
You're not girl you want.
Always right.
So that's just how it is. So any other question before we move forward to ICC?
I think we can carry on. I don't know.
The rest persons, now they talk. KK, you do okay, Abi?
Bro, I did hear everything.
But you this part declare for you.
Yes.
Okay. Steven,
Abba.
he declare for you too.
Yes.
Coolest. I don't know what another person did this thing. The rest persons, he declare enough for now, Abi?
We are just five, 4 the listening plus yourself 5. So
That's
just
nice.
4 of us here.
That's nice. Okay, now we will go down to our ICC. This is the setup. This is something you should pay attention to. This is the setup that we are trading. It's called ICC. I don't know if some of you have seen my videos on YouTube, but for the sake of those that have not seen it, I'll just go ahead and break it down. ICC
You should.
ICC simply means indication.
Correction, continuation.
Correction.
Continuation.
You already message me now. Very busy. Then continuation. So this is what ICC stands for. No bigger English. Short form, indication, lower low, correction, lower high, continuation, lower low, or equal low. For sell, for buy, indication, higher high, correction, low. After just like as you see higher high, you will see see higher low. So the correction is the higher low, continuation, higher high or equal high. Let me just do it fast. Because as I talk, as I just like say. So for sell, this is for sell. Indication, which is something like this. Market give you a lower low. This move, this one now, lower low. The correction, lower high. The continuation, lower low or equal high. So this is how it is for sell. You get this low is higher than this one. You get the point. So that's just it. Then this is the place that price broker from. These things boils down to the market structure. That's why I started with it. So that as I talk at the go, you go just say, oh, now to talk this. So I talk kind of true. You understand the thing? So everything will flow in as we they move. Now they hear me, Sha? Hey.
Yes.
Okay. Now we don't know say the meaning of ICC. Indication, correction, continuation. How Or how can we spot that in a chart? Remember when I said uptrend comprises of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now this is your indication from this place now. Market breaking this zone now. Market breaking this place now, giving you higher high. This is your indication. You get? Okay, now Uche, you said this is my indication. Where's my correction? This is your correction. This is next one. Market move from here down to this place. This is your correction. So which means, just like I said, higher high, higher low. You get? Then where is the continuation? This is the continuation. This push. The new high high. You understand that part? I go show now for chart too. I just show now sharp safe. Oh. This one for here. We dey see this thing every time for the market. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You see lower low. This one actually reach ground. No? This one actually reach ground because this higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. Market causes the turn for you. This move they very confusing, but something like this. Lower high. You get to the point. So the market actually is down, which let me see. You must see why you know it's down. Okay. The market consolidate for you. See for yourself. They very clear enough for yourself. So let me go into the lower time frame. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But wait a minute, this will not go reach this place. Never wait till I don't know now. This will not reach here. This will not reach here. Not reach here. Okay, he reach oh. You see say
He is weak.
Yes. So make I go down time when I say something. So if you enter this trade now, this is why I say oh God. Just observe now, observe. After the market touch here, wait to do this. It just go. So this is an equal low. Do you get the point now?
Yeah.
So that's why I say sometimes some persons will be like, okay, we've seen our lower high. Can we not just hold for it to give us another new lower low? The market might not give you a new lower low. It might just give you equal low and start and turn to the other side. So for this trade now, thank God I saw this example. Okay, I think something like this. Yes, like this. Yes, for this trade now, the market breaking out from this place now. Now, as you can see here, okay, don't need to move this one. You can see here. This is your indication. Your indication here, your correction, and your continuation. You get to the point. So this is how this whole thing works. Okay, let's say now you say, Uche, I don't get that much capital to take trade this particular thing. Inside this move now, see another one again. Low, high, low. You get? And as you notice, after price reach here, it pull back again. You understand? So this is something you should be paying attention to. So now for this move now, you can sell from this zone. You can sell from this zone to this zone. So now this one I go answer the question. Say okay, you dey see big move, but you might not be having the capital to hold the pullback, all of that. You might not have the capital. But this one is this move now from year to year, from this place to this place now, from this place to this place now. This is a very good move for you. And if you enter like kind of two positions, this one a fast trade, very fast trade. But the reason why they want those other ones go take that because they get gap. And as you can see now the market come give you lower low, give you low, lower low, you go up. Come back to this zone again now. Your entry should be here, come down. And as you see now, even from yourself, if you want to enter the trade based on this particular this now, you can enter and hold down to this place. To this your take profit zone because this is where the next buyers at. No, understand now.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
break. I go break
Yeah.
am down for this ICC update too. I just want us to know how to spot ICC in the market. ICC is basically higher low, higher low, higher high. That is this ICC. This is your indication, correction, continuation. For sell, this is lower low, lower high, lower low, which is indication, correction, continuation. So all this one they clear enough. Person mic they on. Hope they clear enough for now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's ICC for you. Then if you get any question now, if you ask, we'll go to the ICC update because this one will be the major one. And now this one will show you how to apply them. When I say I get one trade though. When I was today live so at the trade what they on. Now this setup I they use. So not saying that which I this I they do. No be how they use. Now they use for here. So if you see for here, this is this market breaking this low. I hate to analyze for this place, but I have no choice. Market breaking this low. Market breaking this low. This is my. No, let's see.
Yes.
Market breaking this low. And this is my indication. Correction. I'm doing what the continuation. Hey, note this thing down. You only trade the continuation. Leave the indication. Leave the correction. Focus on the continuation. So now, me, as you can see me now, I've seen my indication here, which is this move here. To analyze for this place is stressful, but let me just try. This is my move here. This is my indication. You get? My correction will go back up, and my continuation will come down and back down. So now understand now, be? Now what me I use be this. I show now so that I'll take more this thing now. Oh Bob. I hate this place to analyze for this. I don't know why they do and so stressful. Delete. So me I hold this trade now to this particular place. Remember, I said price might give you another lower low, but me, I don't want to even wait for that lower low. If market give me another, okay, so see that trade, I might just draw for you. See that trade what they on and something like this. Now I want enter the trade for somewhere here. When I come here, if the market give me something like this, I know the fear. If you give me something like this again, I go wait for the next thing. Pull back, enter, come here again. I come out. The market give me this one again. I go wait, go back, enter. That is how ICC works. That's one good thing about you catching the trend as it moves. You get the point? Okay. So if anybody get question, I'm gonna ask for go to the main business of the day, which is the setup.
Clear.
You clear, Abi?
Clear.
Stevie.
Clear. The observe trading I win there. Yeah, observe and answer the see all these things to when they apply them.
Stevie. You clear? Stevie, don't come out. Stevie, now why you don't talk? Coolest and Stevie, what did they happen? More than talk now. Get question you ask. I will continue now since I don't get any question now. Divan, I bet meet your mic. Divan and K. Hope you clear enough. More they move.
For me, I did okay.
Divan, K, you to Abi. Okay.
Even with this explanation, say I can't get one kind of realization. Say waiting I do, waiting person see for that VIX 50. Say it was just an indication.
Yeah.
Not really the continuation.
Oh yes. Oh yes. It is as simple as that. So as long as President answer me now, I just want to move to the next one, which is the ICC update. What did happen?
A network.
Okay, but you understand now, Abi?
No, I know you talk last too.
I say the ICC when I explain. You understand that?
Yes. You know, we trade
Indication
The indication,
or the correction.
the continuation only.
Yes. So that will now bring us to the main business of the day.
This thing and the same thing say no trade retest. Maybe this thing.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
This is the main business of the day. This is the update.
KK.
Yeah, bro.
That's VIX 50. A very mad pair with that pair. God,
but they say he actually a move. I think he helped me yesterday. I saw something.
Bro, it's not moving any shit, bro.
Or let we go, if you want, we can analyze them more.
More analyzer. Bring up more analyzer. Some kind of nonsense in that pair.
Okay, now my note I write and put. They say if they move where, and
I sell that market yesterday. It started to buy.
Oh yeah,
they
wait.
buy.
Oh yeah, wait. Nah, Moko go there now since you don't want divert a bit.
Go now. Maybe it's waiting they do correctly now. We started to buy yesterday. We started to buy even as early this morning.
Which setup you
use? Selling this morning after I do that nonsense.
Which setup you use, Divine? Break and retest. Right?
Is it?
Which setup you use? Break and retest. Abi?
Me, that's it. I break and retest.
Oh yeah. I want to draw your attention to this thing now. Or that this place.
That place a major.
Now, listen,
major support.
When you dey trade, listen, when you dey trade, always note say sellers will take the price to buyers, just like buyers will take the price to seller. So for this case, they don't deliver the price to the buyer. So what do you expect? Buyers go want try do some magic to push up. You understand the point now? They go want push because now buyers they here they do this thing. So and market coming back to this place, there's like a chance that they might do it again. So what do you expect? You get me now?
Yes.
So now you don't say not be actually their fault. Now you not just see this.
You know, funny enough, Uche, I did very aware of this thing, but I thought that break, the fake out actually deceived me. KK, remember say I screenshot this same thing, point them out to you. If you check your hair. I thought when you see this week to the down, so I thought it already break that place now to do retest, then continue itself back.
What if you always notice this? What time frame trade are you trading? This move.
I mostly check my trade from daily and
make a boss. Make a short. This trade they come here. How I tell you?
From the looks of this, it seems it's going to buy back up.
I don't know why they don't feel to see weekly time frame here, but on a weekly time frame, if I am right, watch you. This was what happened. I will go our normal MT5 take a check out. You see that show you now? Yeah, wait, make I go the chart when we see weekly time frame. Which pay be that?
50.
Was that what I show you? So, oh God, this place. Or that I show you. See, low, high, low. High, low. Now here they come. You might see how yeah.
Say na
Where
where
they
they come.
8-4. We might write that down so that I figure write that for that side. 8-4. They work. 84.3518. Because of since I know if you do analysis for yeah, more go this side.
They sell. So the analysis is that it's going to sell
My
down.
brother, I go. You no worry, you go see.
That means it needs to break this current place where they point out.
It will. I go show you
needs to
one
break
thing.
it
I go show
well.
you one thing. I go show you one thing now. Hold on. Yes.
Because
So yes. Look am.
This motherfucker don't nearly want to see my account to me.
Look am. Look this thing. Now here go come. So for the daily time frame, you go come here. Now for the weekly time frame, now here go be the next take profit zone. But for that time frame, if you come here, but for the sake of the trade, because now weekly time frame trade, now here go come. Now here go be take profit. Now you dey talk say you dey feel like say go buy back. We'll go for our time frame to check for details. Are you with me?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and do this lines. I will use a more thinner line. Now, observe what the market they do. Lower low, lower high, lower low. See that one I tell you say give high. You can't drop. You can't give you can't do like that. Say one star to buy. You shake.
Yes.
You can't drop. You see Abi? Now for the sake of this thing now, this is the actual move. But if you go daily time frame, you go if you actually see that thing. This is what I'm talking about. So for daily time frame, something like this: high, low, high. Then maybe this low now supposed to break, go down here. But might just go for our time frame so that it will be very clear. You now you see this move. If they see this move, I say, this is not turn to buy for you. But for 4 hour time frame, this now the pullback be this. For the daily time frame, now the pullback be this. Do you see?
Yeah.
So something like this. Do you see? So now, seeing this on the daily time frame, wait down go draw attention to.
Downward trend.
But you see and I say,
Downward trend.
but you see why the talk say it go sell down. You just so now something like this now.
So now this is correct now.
I use daily time to do one. So somewhere here. So yes. But for the sake of 4 hour time frame, you go do somewhere here, but more even for here. So now it don't give you waiting indication. We go take this trade though. You
Yeah, you correct.
now what you go do next? You give you indication.
Now correct, you correct now.
You go routine, you go back. You go do waiting, you can't drop.
Come back, come down. Yeah.
Mark go talk so.
Sell and come down.
You see now while you are doing this thing now, you now be conscious of your environment. Remember when I said that thing? Do you remember when I talked? Now, for the daily time frame, this was the last. Now here be the last lower high. So now, the market can do like this before dropping. In fact, if you do like this, safe kiss am for a drop. But once it close above, it don't change mark, which it not go do if the sell go need to continue. I don't know. If, I don't know if that thing I said now is clear enough.
Yeah.
Now, are they able to see this smaller trade here, sef? Are they able to see this trade? They might just point to an attention to when if you just stack small this thing, small chart. So this is a small chart. Observe. Market dropping, low, high, low. Did you see that? So this is not a chance. Say this one will never go higher. Once you enter here now, which means you go see drop. So now, Okay, but make we take this one. Everybody, make everybody take this one as part of testing and part of like giveaway for the sake of this live. You get to the point. So now, maybe do I come here? Eh?
At this time, we dey wait for him, abi?
Yes, maybe do I come here? Eh? Because once price reach here, my just son they choose. Once price come here, if he go back again. You understand?
That's fact.
Yeah, you understand, Abi?
That's fact.
But at the same time, if he say continue, they come down. So, if you want to take this trade, you will be conscious of this particular zone, when be the last high. So, if markets want play on this kind of place, you will hold arm. That's the question you should ask yourself. So this now your stop loss will be there. If you want to take something like this now, most say something like this now, your stop loss will be there. If you want to say you want to be busy, you don't know that time go there, you make not miss the trade. You should be playing. This is safe. But you see the stop loss is bigger than the take profit. So you should always be smart enough to know say this is too much. So now we talk about the update now, and I'm happy that this thing is forming. So that we can actually take this trade as it's playing out live and we'll see the outcome. You get the point? Now, we don't see our indication. We witness the correction to carry this one back. Why will they observe this correction now? This is something I want you guys to note. This correction that you're seeing here now. You know they see details, who they push and go up, how they come down, you can't go lower time frame. Observe. This thing is important. So if you are doing that thing before, just pay attention. You're not seeing much details, but on this time frame, you will see that here be the previous low. So if market turn like this, close below this place, this line, you go, okay, now the sellers are back. Once the price enter this zone, I can sell to this particular place. Might even go see how much supposed to come out for this thing and the loss side, so that everybody will just pull their mind for the whole thing. Might go 15 minutes time frame because people will see much. Mona observe now. Mark, clear this thing. Clear everything. Remember, we are waiting for price to enter here, so I can sell to this place. This is what we're waiting for. Now, the markets don't give a push from last. Just like I said, you see much more details on a lower time frame. So this should be your last low. And as you can see, this candle that is forming now, supposed to tell us, okay, if it close like this, sellers are back in the game. But we're not selling yet until it gets to this place. So when price reach here and it still continue this lower low, lower high, lower low, enter. Go check. Go prep my this thing for ground. Which prep it is? VIX 50. Open on the siamo. Me not be like say at the top put no.
Yes.
You laugh. So okay, VIX 50. 15 minutes time. Okay, fair for go. Okay. When I just go in a chat, I go plot this thing. They wait for her. Because me, I go do I go show now the result. That's not they see I'm on the live. And it will make more sense. Say all of us partake from not just me. So the lowest loss size here, I think is the 4 loss size. And if you use 4 loss size, they get I think small $2 for each position. So let's say we all use 8. That would be $4.
10.
Okay, 10 Abi. 10 maybe 5. My small.
I meet.
But if you enter away, if you see that kind of between $6 to $5, you can enter that kind of 5 position, which is like 50. But those are just testing phase. Those are short trade now, so you're not going to expect much. 6 times 5, maybe 30. So I'm positive that if this trade plays out, I will get my quick $30 from this trade. Are you guys with me?
Yep.
So make everybody observe. once the market close, once this split in close now, confirm say sellers don't come because you notice how the price come here before, it can't close above them. To show you say, what I talked before, buyers do something like this here. You get price coming back to the same place, they are looking to do something like this too. You understand now?
Yes.
So, but in the situation whereby they not called Duam, we know say okay now sellers are back.
No, we have to.
So more just dey observe, how everything go. But I'm confident that this trade will move. At least $30. If even want to pass. For the sake of this, when you do five
Say
trades.
$30.
Yeah, $30 supposed to come out for this now. With 10 losses when you talk now.
Okay.
But at the same time, more observe our losses. Okay, if we do $5, five trade, then we say minimum $10 risk. If we want to use this place as our last high, if we want to use it, minimum $10 risk per trade, so which is like 50 for 5. That will not give you the chance to calculate how much do you have in your balance. It will move. Oh, most say you get like 100. You know, say okay, this thing now price will do something like this. Maybe as you enter here now, because me now I know my doing this now. I'm not going to make it close. Oh, as you just drop enter here like this.
No, wait, make it close above that. Make close above that.
See, make a boss here. If you can't enter, come close for somewhere here. So wait till you watch channel. Not be so that
What you do me that yesterday? Swear. Nah, him. The one where they wait make it close above the line. Upon the big gap with the pass the line.
You don't get.
Yeah,
So once it just tap in.
Thank God say you there for the trade to say you see waiting and see too.
So as me investor, I take it yesterday say because I know say the way the thing they pump, and if you check if the thing they close out, if the thing they like this, something like this, you can see something like this, you can see something the entire year. You don't need to even do you don't even need to do pullback. Not like this, not direct. Because now you know say sellers they
exactly.
up here.
You see this thing when you talk okay.
Yeah.
When you get what you do, he can't enter a particular zone back. Now say no, this thing is supposed to come back to this place.
You get because what do they call that thing? Volume. The energy when they move at that point, the speed. Yesterday I make $155 now. Can show you. Like this thing yesterday. See now. Yeah, 19.80 and 76. These other two, I stack them, but I can't close now because I don't want to take that risk to put my account for danger. If not, this 0.60.
Yeah.
If I actually feel move, but I just close that based on I don't want to take that risk to not liquidate my account before the trade come move. So I have to like close this one. If not, say this one's they open. Don't worry yourself now. Then that the 15 minutes time frame when I take that with this 13. You see, something like this particular trade when we want take now. You get so now be this 13. Then yesterday trade so now be 76 and 90 and 19. This 19. So now when the 1 hour time frame close, close now I can enter this one. So this was supposed to be the entry. If you have to follow the like if you say one just day very diligent enough, now 19.80. But me now knowing fully well that the market was coming in with full speed, I don't know so okay how far these people this is not go sharp. Make a quickly enter this thing for the up first before you go over me. See this one is $14. Why are you doing that for the first? I know the another one answer now. So back to this trade now. We are the same Abi. You're not gonna make sense say as we did this like it don't close oh. You see so it don't close. Now if
they want to make good line.
Yeah, make it enter the line. Most traders now might enter here. It is safe to enter here, but it is safer when it is in this zone. Why? Because price has done something like this from year to year. You understand? You get the point now. It is safe to enter from here. No more, not lie. If you want enter from here, say okay, more wait.
I'm more money now. Yes.
But it is safer because you have to track price. You see that's when they say price they do. Waiting price don't do before you go do them again. Waiting price don't go do them again. Waiting price don't go do them again. Now you entering here now. Watch you entering here based on this close. The market might do something like this. Before it can enter here. You just see. And you now, if the market close about this place, like you feel like say, the market don't want to buy. This move not valid again. You don't fear because you did here already. You just see.
So
everything logic just dey inside. When I go the way this show they close. So my just quickly type out the
10 lot, Abi.
10 lot. Quickly type out the what I want call them now. The take profit. Yes. Take profit go this. So once you go this way, take profit go there. At least $5.7 something dollars. So both show.
5 point something.
Yes, $5 something dollars.
I think it's 50 something.
No, now for each for one position times 5.
Okay.
I don't say 50, I say 30 something because if times 5 point, they confirm. Ma first put the take profit for you. I will not get other people when join this thing. That is nice, oh. That is nice that others are joining. Which paper is this 50? I go sign for the group now. Just type the take profit zone. Books. Bila na share my leg give Ebuka don't join. Abi na books.
Uche, what you type for there? You put VIX 70, VIX 50, but what you write? Look what you write again.
What I write for here?
TP. Okay. Based on us, everybody there, they know what they talk about.
Yes, now.
Okay.
Now take more with that. I not type entry, not because I did. People when did the life know what that in me.
No be lie.
So
they say Lala they on board.
I don't know whether in did the life, but make a check if in did the life currently.
You cannot see any new person will join again from.
He joined the channel.
Okay, join the channel. Okay.
So that's by the side. So still on still, will they wait for this one? Why would they wait on this one? More continue for this thing. Why would they use one eye? Look at more. More and not forget how more this thing.
Uche. Uche. More analyze 75 1S.
Now?
Yes, please. I dey buy that trade currently.
Okay, we make a so that we open new tab because this tab for here, I get one trade for here. Then this one I get one trade. I don't want. Okay, well, if you just come back. 75 1S. Abi?
Yeah.
You say you did for buy which time frame?
H4.
Buy. Why you buy? Why they buy Divine?
Because of it don't flat out. It don't
observe what I show you. Why?
No be now I take buy you.
Okay,
you understand?
You don't see.
Yeah, don't be now. I don't take.
You don't bring another child like this. 75 1S. So this is.
I don't bring another child.
Yes, nah. So this is you no boy. You see now. You see how I talk.
And they say that before I tell you to make your observe, I don't say you don't know.
But not before buy you.
You want sell them?
Yes, because indication don't give us.
For this, if you look at for that week, Abi.
You see, so look. the market give you this push.
That week, I don't dey observe that week.
see am?
Say make I take my profit
From here
from
now,
there.
this place na major place. The fact say buyers can't reach here again, they no fit do am. Something does up, oh, but the road not clear again. I want sellers take over. You get the point? So if buyers do something like this from here, go here before, price can't come here, they not fit do am. Instead, price can't give us like this. We go follow sellers because first of all, this one a major place where market for move from. You get the point? So seeing price coming, breaking this zone and giving us a lower low, we're now waiting for our correction to finish. Then we can now sell this move back to this position. So this one on another chart. So more keep down for mine. V75 one is two. Those are this one fit form between today and tomorrow. Now we will know because now daily time trade.
Yeah, explain something.
V75 and VX50. The VX50 you now so if you happen na might go back safe. Me personal go. So we don't keep that on the mind. Divine the move dey for downtrend, but I'm not going to say I'm fully downtrend yet because you never give me my lower high.
Yeah, because the setup normally, you see the way we talk about say it could give you lower low, it could give you higher high, lower low, higher high. Now so you just run and
give you
say
lower
for
low,
H4,
lower high
for H4 and
okay.
H1.
Okay, massive. You know why? Because now correction now. So you dey trade the correction, which I said you shouldn't do. You dey shine.
No.
You not see this thing before. See now, observe. Not before.
It's not be now they enter the
divine. Now H4 we did now.
Yeah.
Now H4 we did now.
Yeah.
This move from year to year, na indication. This move going up, na correction. So what did they talk? Now let me say to the talk. But
okay, from down now to the up now correction.
Correction all the way. But that depends.
All the way, not continuation.
That depends if it turn. You get the point? Because now they move well. So I'm not gonna blame you say you actually enter this trade. You feel actually want to take on for the whole this thing, but if they give you a very relaxed mind, so you day trade, the overall move now sell and you dey sell. Instead of you day trade, the overall move now sell but you dey buy. You dey counter the trend. And which is not a good thing. Yes. So as you see, they give you higher low. Nice move.
My entry date 37.77.
Your entry date 37. Are they come?
77.
Are they come? Make I finish that first. Lower low, boom. I know actually see. Okay, I see this buy day before yesterday for 1 hour time frame. No, not 1 hour time frame. This one here. But it too choppy. It not big. This move from here to here not big. Now why not take it? He actually played out. I saw it the next day.
For 1 hour time frame.
1 hour time. But this one from this place to this place. I see this move. You see on here now. See the thing for here. He give you high, low. This correction. Go enter back. Buy. Straight up. Don't even waste time. So, with that being said, we'll go back to our VX50. You shall judge your observe because the market made the market not go turn against you while you sit there on your buy move. You understand? Judge your observe. The market is supposed to go
change movement.
You judge the observe for the in case you want quickly change. So that is that. Now do this one.
And if you did for a profit, you'll break even now.
No, actually already break even. Sis, you know trust, sis.
But not be ICC.
Let me catch you the sleep liver and stuff.
But not be ICC. But not be ICC. You didn't enter the trade though.
No. Now normal patterns of the market not the entire.
Divine don't they make all the talk. We don't forget say we get trade Jesus.
Normally we see the observe the V50.
Okay, it does have my mind caught no.
No, they head there now.
Happy say don't reach my brother. But not take this trade. You see the way that yesterday. You see the way that yesterday.
I'm gonna drop.
That yesterday won't pay me now. Actually,
I see like that.
You know what team won't pay me pass. I then see, this cell, I want to embarrass this cell. You know that kind of thing. I want to embarrass this. Oh, boy, I did see my minus for $7. I did see my minus for $7. Say no, this thing not supposed to do like this. No. Now see, reach $7.02. Now say I beg. I up close.
Okay, you close your own Divine.
Yes, so
Hey. I get.
I message KK. The black saying don't crash.
Why you not
I mean,
message
the
me?
same day online.
Why you not message me? I not sleep till I can't you.
Okay, you enter the trade.
I know.
I don't know say you enter the trade because you know. Hey,
You know they say what I show you. No.
Jesus.
See what I show you now. Now the trade be this now $76.80 and $19.80. These are the two trade now. You know this yeah. See trade here.
I know this. I'm wasting the see for your trade now. Na step. Step. Your the setup on the see for here. For my screen, na step I dey see. Only audio
Which
trade.
trade did they talk about? Which trade did you talk
Now
about?
step 300 you
I dey talk about V50.
Okay, me they talk about step 300. Step 300. I'm not about 50.
I'm not going to surprise you.
No. I not take that. When are they active? Oh, this thing goes so. Remember the momentum they
He say
higher.
we dey active. No be here how we dey tell you we dey go. We dey active.
So
that's me now.
eh?
It don almost reach here to show you say the
So now
madman dey sell.
listen. As the plan one enter for somewhere here, put up for your mind say think we do something like this. So before you drop again.
Before it drop
So
down.
may nobody panic, yes. You get. At the same time, if you not do one. So man, they wait for her. Even 1 second late safe. Na error for me. I go go plaster first. Plaster.
That's for your entry.
Plaster they waiting not good. You not go yeah now film. You go here now.
Okay.
And I'm happy that.
Even to you the phone.
And I'm happy. Oh, Divine, you don't enter. Divine.
You never hit our
I
line.
never
No
enter.
shot.
We are the enjoy my 75. What I dey say.
Okay. Every year good now. Every year good. Now you want to charge this one. You want to charge this $30 journal.
Now so like this. If I show you my trade, you know this mad fucking 50 don't do me $7, $12 because of you go 10 direction if you sell them.
You know why? You know they use one
they will
particular
not-
setup,
not-
Divine. You know they use one particular setup.
I dey hear you.
You know they use one just see before I get to understand this setup, I try my possible best to forget everything when I know. Now when I don't want to use them, I can't see say okay, the things the one I know feel actually assist for this setup. When I ready, the thing when I know, if you actually play a major role for this thing. So now why I can't apply most of them. But generally, apart from this ICC missing indication, I don't even do any other thing. Yesterday at the school for TikTok, and they say one person they talk say I did teach for life. Say this how you want to get you want to be profitable and all of that. Do this, do that. I want a school pass. I don't want to hear anything against self. You get because those things they're going to mess with your head after some time.
Too many information.
Too many info this thing. So you're not gonna want that kind of thing. So you just Divine.
I dey hear you.
Try stick to one particular this thing. Just like if I did show you my trade now, you know the set of why I talk about. So I don't see this light. I might go change over.
It's not a near, bro.
I know they go. I won't go change over to like this thing. So like.
I'm not sure say this 1 hour this thing will break today inside the line though. What do you feel?
Which 1 hour waiting? Now 15 minutes I do. I know they talking. I know they see this man.
No, I know this now 1 hour now. One can't do one close. So now I mean, don't close.
Even if it's not close inside.
Then
They can't even play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I don't go that 6. But anyhow,
this position.
I think I play first. 12. Okay, now 5. Now 5 I enter. Now at the count that step in there some join.
Go help me. I go enter 4.
with which lot?
10.
Okay. Me, I used 12. Yes, now. I dey rate my account. If he carry,
Yes.
if he carry. So now, as you don't also go to put your take profit.
Yeah.
So now more they put so now. Make sure say you put on because price fit reach that place now fit turn no. But if you see reach that place fit break. So I dey check I dey arrange my own now. I don't put for this one for this one. Okay, now we are good to go. Make I show now my own. Which trade? Not be vis 50. See my own. And see your screen.
I see your screen.
So now what the trade be this. So make we see how it go be for me on. At least we'll give me that kind 7.49. Divine, how many you enter?
I just entered 2.
With which lot size?
0.4.
0.4.
It's F4, I mean.
Okay, you use the lowest lot size.
I use the lowest lot size, so I'm not there.
You say not there. You say not
Not
there.
there. I will see. Make I see where they take profit. Okay. Where shall me more they observe?
Nah, short trade. So something like this. See what I think for somewhere here. Take profit here. So now it's something like this now we do it for. So as we enter here now, we did conscious of this particular place. Though if you not reach about at least if you do something like this, observe. If you do something like this for a job, you get the point. At the same time, if you not see one, so I could just look.
Maybe not do one.
What do you need to put for mind? KK, what do you need to put for mind? I say the move. You don't want to sell move now. So give you higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. If he give you lower high, or if he come lower before he give you the lower high. So in that way, expect lower high, something like that, then drop. Just expect it. Then maybe give you lower high again, drop again, or whatever. So just do it. What time day?
After 2.
2 OTW. We don't do this thing for 1 hour now. Abi? No. 2 hours.
2 hours. Maybe after. Maybe I saw minutes after 12.
Blast. And this thing see a record. It will actually make sense if this trade close for this you know, if it close for the life, I go actually really like. How many persons is there? Now just our take this safe. You see what I talk about now?
Don't go.
Everything. I said that time, when they won't go serious now. When now they post, just like now, I see they post chats now. Now really profit. As I post, Uche. I be. Yes, how can I help you? How can I help you? Because now when they do the work, you are nowhere to be found. So if you're nowhere to be found while we are doing the work now, why you go want to join us when we make the thing? That's why I think never get chance again. Because I look forward to a time. I come and change over to solar. They don't see that light.
I'm gonna get that drop.
Now, if they take and play, make it drop. You don't do rubbish.
I tell you, bro.
No, not to do rubbish.
You see all this kind of thing, Now him you just put 5-ish, load big lots.
Move ahead. As you just do a small movement, just go hit TP, you move ahead.
Move. where they do your 1K, they come outside,
Now,
2K,
some
they come out.
places, I say a lot of places they want to see for Twitter. Eh? They will just see this kind short straight. Eh?
All whip and come out. Yes, now.
You know, you go just see 10K, you go dey smile. You go just smile. Now time, sha, and I believe say we need to be comfortable with our first.
Yeah, true.
So that we really take such risk, and we really take the risk. No, we say no be our last this thing. Because it not go make sense say you dey enter this trade with all your balance. I get one guy do sha, when they trade like that, he go just do hash. Now he so as he stacker 3K.
Now you go put for there.
Yeah?
I say money where you want risk, now you just put for there.
The gamma go stacker.
That kind of thing, so that you know not to go to overdo.
So as this trade dey move now, I believe say una don understand the update, and I do am live for una. So if this trade close for take profit, e go show say the update dey actually dey work. It's left for you guys to practice it. You know with me?
Yes, I do believe my bro.
So if this trade actually close, which we do for live, and the analysis and all of that, the explanation before we actually see one trade, when we actually test them or now, you know, to actually tell a lot that we can bank on something like this, and over time it can make us, or it will make us, because it will definitely make us profitable over the years, as long as we are consistent and we follow the rules. So that will now bring us to the last. What is fan is off? What is fan is off? Oh, this big fan. So that will now bring us to the last topic. Yeah, maybe that's in the entry. They hear me?
I dey hear you.
If you dey patient enough, you go notice say I actually don't talk. If you dey active enough, you go notice I don't actually talk about the entry too. You get the point?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. If you dey follow well, you go notice I don't even talk about the entry too. So, but my just talk about that to notice the stopper. So, Mo say this is our indication, our correction. Our correction now, the market do correction now. We mark this place where market. We our correction now. Now, why the correction they come down? It will print lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But now sell move. For every sell indication or sell market, if you want to do this our success. For every sell move, the correction should buy. Why for every buy move, the correction should sell. So now for this buy move now, the correction should sell. Now why that this 50 so when divide the trade now, when it buy, so the move now sell move, the correction they buy.
75 1s.
Okay, 75. So now observe more high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. The immediate price turn and start giving us higher high, higher low, and he enter this zone. This should be our entry. As simple as that. Target your high. Your stop loss can be below this zone that price, this obvious swing that price is coming from. So this is how there's for this sake of this trade now. We say now 1 hour time frame trade. 1 hour time frame trade. Thank you, my bro. 1 hour time frame trade. As you can see, look at it. How did this one? I'll clear something. 1 hour time frame trade. After this trade hit tip up is I think we'll just that should be the end of this live session. So this is our indication now. Now we're going down to a smaller time frame to check for the correction. Just like I said, the correction should since it's a sell move, the correction should buy. So now we go to our lower time frame now. We see the correction we do it in lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower. This was the last push. Higher low. Sorry.
Higher.
The market dropping. You understand? Dropping here, like closing below. We'll do something like this. But that ways, this move now shows okay, sellers are now in the market. And now, if you go smaller time frame, to see check for more details. I think maybe 5 minutes time frame. So sit at the top, good. 5 minutes time frame shows exactly what I'm about to talk about now. So now, if you notice, the market started pushing higher high, higher low, higher high. So this was the last move. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, blah blah blah. Till it got turn. When it turn for a year now, it turn from here now, give you lower low, lower high. You see how? You see how now? For the drop. So as you enter this zone back, that was our entry, which is this particular zone here. Trying to sell it down to this zone. So this is how you trade it. This is how you trade ICC, and this is the whole update plus the entry and all of that. Now everything went there. So the thing what I talk for this live, so 9 day this particular place, but just that this one, so I'd already do the video down. This one's part 1, part 2, part 3. This one's now market water test with this setup and how it turned out. So now be this. I go upload that NBA eventually, but I just want to see some kind of turn up. The first thing I just stay up. A black even make you and KK admin self for the group self. So that more of us just the do and the group.
Active.
Now that we all do that, we all observe the Telegram, because I really want to go that Telegram and this YouTube. And those two things I just want to do. KK, you mute to blow your mind is shake for there.
No.
I mean, you don't add more. You don't add more. You sure?
No, na 4 position.
Okay, na 4 you do. Me, I do 5.
Wait, which class that na use on?
10
Na 4 position.
Me na 12 I use. See my own now. See my trade.
Boys.
We tell you say na 10 we wan use. 10 we wan use now. We not tell you. See my own 12.
As I check the result wey 4 go give me, and I say no, now stack like 3 or 7.
Okay, you don't do 7.
Yeah, like 3.1 position.
But I talk this thing since now. Say 4. If you use the lowest lot size, it will give you $2. If you use this 12.
Now when I check and I say no, I cannot be taking 20.
No, now. But I tell you before.
No,
I tell you. See my own.
So what thing happen? You know, say when you want start to the sell, the first pool go up.
Okay, you enter for
now from that.
Okay. See my own. If you not check on that screen, I go say na my own be this. So more just they observe. Once you hit take profit now, I should end this live. I should try. So apart from this trade where they go on, when I get another question, more I ask you. I believe say we think when I explain it today now, say, I'm not just supposed to know say this thing. I'm not just supposed to know and just go practice and with this.
This video they on recording now.
Yes, he did. See, I did for you. Who they join this? Check what that person join. Nobody join. No. My even just my even they go come out some kind of person for this thing. For the level of our seriousness. 21. This OG miracle, I don't know what to make another day, but this guy they active too.
I say comment even when you for the vote, I can't surprise say I know see.
I will come out some persons to yes, they very sharp down.
I wouldn't say 1 or 2 shots is even if they for the group self where they follow for the trade.
He did one day, but she not too active like that. You see,
It is now.
You see one thing with life, people not gonna actually believe in you until they do the see results.
You know, say the thing, Uche, like me, you, KK, we know the results. We know the consistency.
Yes,
Yeah,
Them never say feel. Them never see the results. Them never see reason to put consistency to around.
Exactly. But me, I don't blame anybody. I don't blame anybody. Everybody just want their time to. Now time when they say I will go they sell, I will come put $500 for learning. And maybe that time they'll come serious.
Trading ain't go buy me my GLE. You know worry now.
You know these things now.
Buy my GLE alone on God. God.
Divine, but how much your account dey? Like your capital plus everything.
My capital plus everything like this now, so it is struggle under $50.
I don't understand. And you did trade of plus how many?
About 5 positions.
No, leave this one when we dey look. You say you did VIX 75 one S.
No, that one only just one position.
How much that one they give you now?
That one that like this, and so you haven't touched $42 before. Like this, it did 38.
So if you add that to your account, okay, wait, means you never get much balance for your account before you place that trade.
Much balance. This is 59 kilo.
Okay, how they get. So for me, see my advice. See my advice. Collect that 35 wetin they give you now. Add that to your balance. Because now wetin you dey see, the one you close now be your own. Because you no go fit dey play around with. So which means if you comot the 35 this itself, your account go dey that kind $20.
Yeah.
They on the lower side though. So which means if you see
I dey normally say if you have put my line for this V75, you don't wish they go there. That's where this week day. But I might just take my
just take am.
now,
Just chill. You understand me? Chill. You take am and chill. I say just be now the one when you close be your own. That day now when I send KK that screenshot, KK that day when I send that screenshot, when I stack that VIX 25.
Yes, 700.
700. I'm not closer.
Yeah, KK mentioned and give me. I was like,
Yes,
one more. That was 1,000.
You dey see am so. But I can't fear. Plus, I can't go enter for as you think they move, I call they enter. So when they take all they do pull back now, those ones for button are not. You get what they call triangle concept when you dey trade. Now what I do yesterday. I don't know if
He wants a button be compound more.
You know of am. Divine.
Yes, now, my bro. Don't be saying about. I feel don't know the terminology, but I don't experience them many times.
So see, I'm
I
nine be
experience
this.
them many times.
Nine be this one for buy. Then this one for.
Lower lots we dey go for.
Yeah, this one are for the sale.
So what I'll call they do if in that situation for me to manage my trade, I dey close like the one way deal with the one way the way as quick early enter early pass they pull down from my account.
See, my explain I give you. Wait, my explain I give you. It means say when you they enter for somewhere here, this stop, for example now this stop. If you say you want add more positions, make this one the one go to the top go be the highest. Then if you decide to add for the bottom, if you notice that's the slide they go, the gap inside they reduce. You understand? So that day now, I entered 0.2 for VIX. Now okay, 5 lot size for VIX 2025. 5 lot size for here. I think about 3 or so. 3. Price they go down. I can't add 5 again for here. Yeah, and they get. That was the mistake that I made. So when price was not like making a pullback, this one when I enter for here, the new one called the show minus 40 something. You understand? And eventually it go must enter with the other ones. So when you enter with the other ones, one they show minus 5, minus 10. Only this one they show minus 60. You understand? So the best thing to do is, you hear me?
Yeah.
So the best thing to do is, if you enter the 5 lot size for up here, if you enter for here, enter like 1 or 2 lot size for here. If you enter again, you enter 1. If you enter again, enter 0.5. You understand? So that the loads go dey reduce as it dey go down.
Yeah.
The triangle concept.
So okay. So as it dey go down, you dey enter lower.
Yes, lower lot size. If you decide to want enter.
Lot size.
Yes, if you decide to want enter.
Okay.
So that is it.
Decide to want.
But I sleep now. I won't sleep today. After this course, I never sleep for the past. I mean, okay, we get big 75. Oh, big 75 1
Yeah.
S.
So that sleep of it. Don't be fear. Before I go sleep this morning, it was around 3 a.m.
Same thing with me now.
One
One
week
after
to observe.
because I stayed active until the
make
trade.
I dey comfortable position.
I stayed active until the trade hit take profit. That yesterday trade. So
I see. Say when you drop the screenshot of the step for that step, I see I'm at that around 2 a.m. So
okay. Now you like put that fire this thing.
yeah.
Maybe I go back.
And around 3:22 a.m. now they message KK about the 56 trade.
But the time I did 21. The man said that 15 minutes time for us was close inside that. Abi? 15 minutes time for us was close inside this one. Yes, don't close now. So
Yeah, 15 minutes time you don't close the
So
side.
this yeah. So well like this now, this one's supposed to be like the entry. So if anybody want add, I know want add the trade the probably not fat for me to take this much risk. But best of all, if you won't be enter, I'm not Christian safe. I'm not Christian, I just Christian now. But if you enter for somewhere here before and drive the price down because price will still go down. This should be like another trade, maybe somewhere like this. If anybody wants that to enter here. But so far with the test, so and we did for live, so we just want to hold that particular trade we want to do from up down. We'll see how you go turn, how you go to turn out. Abi, we all go. KK. Divine. Like this guy, they don't go one side. Been a network. You're not too good, no. Okay, keep like K this thing. Okay. Oh yeah, check. You be like you come out, go enter again. KK, check.
I talk. I come on to enter again.
Okay. Divine, boy, you know they talk since now. What is up?
Divine no dey online o.
Divine.
Go be network.
But more shall they observe this truth.
It's not the good down.
No, I think say this thing. So,
The other for you.
I thought you say this in our update. If you say because say I now turn and I bring a 200. Yes, now. If I don't know the wonders when this thing go do for us for in the next coming months.
Now, check divine mic me you.
Okay. Okay, come on. Divine.
And him now go come on mute himself for that side.
I don't make your meet. I don't already on.
Okay. Think you the pump
I
down.
dey hear you.
Okay.
I dey hear you. People, I dey hear me.
Yes,
I dey
yes.
hear me.
Yes.
KK, you dey hear me?
Yes.
Would they hear you, Divine? was
If
this
I would not
trade?
give like $15 profit too.
Yo,
Yeah, no more than 10.
okay, make I check my. I don't really check my own system. Okay, I did this this separate 300. So it did for minus.
Okay, that will enter profit.
The 300.
The step, yes.
You never enter. You see, they that zone. But now something when I know say go happen. So I know the.
I want do 12. Okay, don't go back to 10.
Okay.
They hear me.
Will they hear you divine?
Very network.
Ah.
Get to hear people way. I be the take signal. You see this kind of move, they allow you.
And they hear me.
The signal we they get.
Will they hear you divine? Keke, you say what thing?
As they get on people where they take observe their signal.
Yeah.
The market not they move this deep down before they collect TP.
Okay, you know they reach down.
Now they say no, this one you don't move a reasonable amount. They only will use big lots.
Those ones are scalpers
you-
now.
Mm.
Oh, the scalp. So now you see as you say the market they do lower low, lower high. You see Abi? So lower low, lower high, lower low, maybe lower high, if I go drop again. You see Abi?
Yeah, you see,
More just dey observe. Look at this thing, I will go sleep better big sleep. Sleep cash me. Ma go observe this no, what is 75 one that's out too. So the fair one is na ya ten 11. Which type of this one when you think big? But this move big oh. This move big there. But that channel made this okay.
yes now.
You better not sleep on this one.
Active.
So now big channel is for you. So like this ma go do estimates. 75 oneness. Divine. I don't know what the song for divine. Divine, you there?
Access my network.
Okay, they mute again, make alarm. Divine, talk now. Divine, I don't mute you, talk.
Yes, I don't mute myself. They hear me now, Abi.
Yes.
Sharp. Network with them misbehave as I go inside room for.
Okay. As I want to do estimate for this.
Yeah, and the year when you talk say V75 say na better char, I mean V75 one is.
Yes, now we catch up with that.
If
That's
miss I don't enter for one. I don't enter for bottom or for at least for like 20% of the move. If I enter from 20% of the move, better char na.
No, this one never happened yet. Now this 75, so it never happened yet. Now we wait for. So I won't do estimate for that. You understand?
I believe to okay. I believe to cover the bread. Okay, now the sale you need to cover.
Yes, the same. I'm not because I'm buy. I know they trade the correction. So most say, what will be the lowest loss I say? What be 0.5? Hey, divine.
Massive.
Jesus. What be 0.5? 0.5. 200 now. The C for you. Now not be the lowest. Massive. 0.05. 0.05.
I think the lowest na
0.05.
0.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Yes.
So
yes.
if we enter for this particular place now, that 0.05 will give us $28. So now most say 0. Yes. Now only one position now. No, this kind of long distance position I want you because I expect something for you now. Say because if you enter for somewhere here now, for somewhere after the correction, after don't go up, come back, enter for somewhere now. If price they do like this, you not only think about the profit from here to here. You think about from here to this place too. What if price come enter here too? So we go fit use 0.1. Meaning it says that if price don't enter there, we go fit risk that kind of $50, within $50 to $60 risk. We fit risk am. If at all, you understand? To get that kind of 50
Which
cent.
one do you use?
0.1. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
So 0.1 no go bad, but make that time reach. Make that time reach. Let me go back to this. Which page this one they look now? Not be this 50 they look now.
Now 50 they look down now.
Okay, more go look to the app because it be like pull back again.
No, not pull back. You see the drop.
Okay. Okay, yes, it drop.
See the drop. Almost 50%.
It will make sense if this trade end for life, for as we dey life so far. When I answer for life, we enter for life. So you understand that kind of thing. And if anybody can't get the chance to go,
Now we go talk say. Now we talk say you see your entry for one time frame, close to one time frame.
this one not not be more. This one na 1 hour now. We see the entry.
You enter 1 hour now. 15 minutes still am away.
Yes. No, we see am for one hour.
If you close for 1 hour to be valid, now let me say see our entry for 1 hour.
If he close, nine we say you for never enter if you want to talk like that. You can't wait for this candlestick to close first before you go say okay 1 hour. But this one so you not give us details when they go up. You just see green. You understand?
Yeah.
So say give you high, low for your okay, yes, you see for 1 hour, you see your details for 1 hour, your entry for so that now you will talk like that. But so far I not give us the details for 1 hour. Now I will go 15 minutes and I go look for details. Even drop down to as low as 5 minutes time frame to get even more details. Because price not just go up, they come down. Something they make they go, something they make they come down. Let's go, boys. Let's go and take a bit. Let me see rest. But when I get another question or any other thing where we need to talk, if we dey talk and ask, we dey wait for this thing. You get one trade when I see yesterday. Do I not take am? That one is it forest? I mean, which page? Good. SAU. Where that thing dey? Na commodity I mean
Commodity, yes.
You know the okay, I go do TAU. See what these people now.
Commodity. Go pay for commodity.
Very good.
Add some kind new. They don't even add some kind new like pairs them.
Now the nice are bio.
See in.
Nice are bio. I
see DEX indices, multi-step indices.
Okay, see, pay attention to this thing now. Pay attention to this thing now. See this good one I see yesterday. I not take a move, but make we just analyze. Yeah. You know, I not see this thing 4 hours. That's why I always they go to the do analysis for bigger time frame. This place now be the major place where pricing from. So first of all, if you said it's good though. We must see something first. Hold on, no. Man, never rush. I bet if you sell that, man, see first. Because I know see I see this trade yesterday. Where I look making up there, I mean they deceive me. In 4 hours. Yes, now bet if you sell that. But which loss size now? That bet you can't use. Because you did this no, 0.1 big one. That's 0.10 $4, 4, 6.
Wait, which pair be this, bro?
Good.
Well, that good have very high this thing, oh. And if they drop the thing, they drop one properly.
Gold na big boy balance. They trade gold.
I want
Oh,
trade.
more.
Balance.
50 don't go hit, one hit TP.
I want to enter one.
You not get choice that they use TP lah.
But it's still fast.
I
Man.
want to enter this. I enter this trade though.
Good.
Yes.
This gold we dey analyze so.
Yes. For yeah.
But you see the thing about gold and cave.
Mm.
If you analyze them and your sell or your buy where you enter, you follow trend. Once they move,
And sell.
it's
The man
your
find
TP.
when can enter. Which launch did you use?
Zero
You see
point
another pair when you
0.1.
move like gold for
Yes.
for volatility. That be step 400.
$19 if you deliver.
Don't you move? I know go. Your wait a bit.
You won't play this gold like this, so
Don't come up soon.
If you enter, me I don't enter this one. I just
So you never
remember
entered before?
me.
Mm.
See my one for you. I'm not sure.
This 0.1 now. Which how much be risk, bro?
Okay, the
I
risk.
can't know. Good.
The risk now, that kind. If you that kind 20, 26.
You don't correct.
Not be good. See I na see my na one I enter. See I na they count for grand so. Na one I do.
Plenty to make 80.
Like not be say the loss say na like you go reach your but if you go do pull back before you go reach take profit. But if you do me make a sense na for you. Omo this thing dey pull back.
Christ, 0. What you use, okay?
0.01.
Oh my God!
Wait.
No.
Wait happen.
My account won't go. I go make mistake, bro. I go put 0.1. No worry, wait, just wait. I no quick code. Good Lord naked me.
You don't close am abi?
Minus 42.
Six more.
See, you don't go believe what happened, bro. If you collect sky come off my account.
You know wait, you CK.
Make I drop the take profit.
Really.
I tell you, that's not 0 point.
You don't type the low size, we see the lowest.
No, just leave am if you don't charge you. So I be you want see it.
I say don't close me come out minus 50.
But you can never blow, sha. The rest trace they go on.
Based on the other ones, they don't carry me go 22.
At least. Let me see. Now everybody is need to check me. Like me, if I enter the trace, I don't check that. I don't touch that second this for up. Check.
I hear 0.19 and 0.1.
Now 0.1 you use.
No, what? That's 0.1 now, yeah.
No, not use 0.1. See what they do now. I might use this mouse so that I go do faster.
Oh, once you collect sky, no, mark. Trading sharp.
Now you know what's about
Wait.
So see do
Dollar, no,
KK, see, you dey hear me, K.
Yeah, yeah.
See, if you want enter trade, for you to know the loss size, when you click that, you click and go up.
Okay, that's the cool thing.
yes, now.
Yeah.
You know. I don't know what's happen.
Always dey pay attention to that.
So this is good and
If
this
I
one.
want you to check, I will type type on smallest loss size when I know for my head. If you know, for you to know say no day according, you know go red, you know go show white. Like if you show white, you know something that the loss size style.
This the market they react because of this zone now.
No, that entry, abi.
This one.
To bring out $50 for this market.
Come on, more
joke.
this.
Bro. Then the other one now said you drop it. This I just good. I just will make mistake for this month. Just imagine. Funny enough, that thing enter for being the go down call.
Nine with the thing so now.
Yes,
This were I don't know the
But
market.
Uche, you get one thing when you tell me, so you know the think for the market.
Market go always do what you want to.
Yes.
I want to you go always put your mind to.
Across this 50 what I can do is about where I dey currently. You be like say where I dey currently, you hate me like they sell am. He can react, he go dey show you buy energy where they sell currently, where would they sell am so.
Give this boutique rush claim my $50 and shock me.
They there now. If you think it or not, the honest.
Why don't you close that money? It's just close by itself.
Now you derive to manage the trade now because of now, so your account no fit carry any movement again for that particular pair.
Like the thing you happen very quick.
Gold dey very volatile now. So gold na pair you see you sit down well analyze before you retire.
The reason why I enter that one now because I analyze that yesterday.
But shall you now? I believe say that because of just the size.
Now why? Those are I go see the check out more. Which trade be this one again? Ma go check out for this side. Commodities, gold, USD. That be this now. Market dey for downtrend. Obviously. Yeah, what about you now? I don't park. Price push from here to there. Why you got? See why I hate to go there. They too they do more things. Which one be this one now? You got the one from this place. They do more. They may not be like say this one continue to the go up. Because this supposed to be big winch.
That one shows people. I agree.
More decision. At least it is $20 for this cause. Take of it now somewhere here. One never reach anything though. It just what they turn out because the market this is what they create so he give see observe higher low. Just come close below this place. Come begin the entire year.
Itself on reverse now.
All this people they know what they do. They not more jubilate. Good job now like this. But anyways, more they see massive is 50. And if it's 50 go retest the entry now. What is that they do? So make it not go close for above the line. Somewhere they go up so.
I really wish.
Wish never be.
Guy.
Everything got the ready.
Bro.
Thirty minutes closing side. It go drop. My just time. 30 minutes closing side. Oh, you see last. I go. Also not go connect the lights with them. They just go,
Carry
just
go,
draw the guy
carry
observer.
go. Jesus, me, carry go.
I don't understand.
I know. I'm not gonna tell anyone again on this one, so now
Yeah?
I will check code.
Did you show it?
I'm not gonna tell anyone again on this one's closed now.
Oh, yeah,
Because my
no.
family balance.
Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, every good. Okay, now, bro. I got update now for the group as the trade.
Alright, my bro.
Okay, I believe this one will take some more time for a good job.
Oh yeah, now, bro.
No, my end is